Just look at how amazing that turned out. The smell is already filling up my kitchen. Now all that's left is to plate it up. A delicious recipe packed with nutrients. Now that you've learned it, you can surprise everyone at home. I'm sure they're all gonna love it.
What's up, guys? We're doing a little something different right now. A buddy of mine sent me a video from one of the social media platforms, and it's a chicken dish. So I have done some prep, and we're gonna check and see how this turns out. He said it was delicious. So let's jump in here and see how it turns out.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
So here we are with the finished product. Let's see how it turned out. Oh yeah, there ain't nothing wrong with that. That's really good. You should try it.